Check out how easy it is to set up an email automation in your Leadzy platform. So just head over to the emails and automations. On the side here, we have our automations tab. So you want to select on that. Now I have an automation already set up in here, but I'm going to create a new one just so you can see how easy it is to set one up. So I'm going to create new, and we can create an abandoned cart automation or a blank automation. I'm going to create a blank one, and we'll call this demo, and I'll click submit, and this will be our automation. So what do we want that trigger to be that is triggered to send that email automation out to your user? Let's click on that, add a trigger. There are all kinds of triggers here that we can go with. One of the more popular ones, the ones that I use quite a bit, is typically when someone submits a form or purchases a product. You can tag those users, and when you tag them, just that tag is then going to be added to their contact. And so that's the one I like to use quite a bit here. So we'll say tag is added, and then I can go in and select a tag, or I can create a new tag. I have one here that I'm going to use. It's for quotes. So anytime someone goes onto this client's website and fills out the get a quote form, it will tag them with the quote tag, and then that'll be triggered to send out that email automation. That's it. That's how simple it is. So I add the trigger, and then we'll just back out of that. We'll add what's going to happen next. Well, we want to send out an email. So there's all kinds of things that you can do. You can set a delay so it doesn't go out right away. There's all kinds of different options, and we have some other ones coming up really soon as well. They're going to be really cool. You can actually look through all of these. For example, if someone unsubscribes, you can actually use that as a trigger as well. But in any event, we're just going to send an email right now, and we'll use our add property so that we can address this directly to the user. So we can put their first name in there and say, here is your quote. Okay, and then we put all our information in there and start building email. Now, we can use some of the templates that we have here, build from those. I have one that I've already created in this case, so I'm going to use that one in this case. But if I want to make any changes once I'm in here, I have all the blocks along the bottom where I can drag and drop into my email and reconstruct at will. And as far as linking, any linking of products and whatnot, in this case, we have linking to the store where these users can purchase more packing bundles. So we can just go here and select the button, and then we'll choose the link that we want. In this case, we wanted the store, so we'll go to the store, and I wanted very specifically the packaging bundles. So I added the packaging bundles, and I could get even more granular to this specific bundle that I want to select, but I don't have to. And this is what's great about Leadzy, is you're not working with external links. Everything is very easy to just go in, select the thing that you want to link, and away we go. And now we're done. We can save that, and we can send a test email if we like. I'm just going to walk out of there. And then if I wanted to use this automation, I just turn on the automation, and away we go. Now, I'm just going to go out of here, and we'll discard that one. And I'm going to go into the one that I have done. And actually, here's one that we haven't sent out to anyone yet, but I want to set a goal where if someone clicks on one of those products, then I will see that they've clicked on that product. So I'm going to set a goal here, add a new goal. And what we want to do is clicks on link in email. So I'm going to add that one. And then it's an automation, not a campaign. So we'll select automation. We'll select the automation that we're using, which is quote request responder. And then the email, the specific email, which is this email, and then select link. So we want to select the link that we want to track. So I want, in this case, to select the overall store, which is the other secondary button in there. And that's it. So now we have these goals. If I refresh this, whoops, save it first to make sure we save it. And then I can refresh this. And we'll have our goals in here will show up once we've sent this email out. And that's it. That's how easy it is to set up an autoresponder in your Leadzy account. It just takes minutes.